The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Compact Routers. Number 5. Bosch Compact Router. You are putting routing power and unique precision in the palm of your hands when you get the Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Variable Speed Palm Grip Compact Router. This machine allows you to place your fingers into support pockets for additional stability, helpful when trimming edges. Offers 1 horsepower and 5.6 amp with variable speeds from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM. Straight edge guide that leads router along and up to 3 5/8 inch from the edge of a workpiece. Angled cord that keeps the cable away from your hands when working. Durable aluminum fixed base. Accepts bits up to 1 5/16 inch in diameter. Pros: convenient to use. Versatile and fast bit changing system. Quick and precise depth adjustment. Cons: does not hold its depth settings very well. Coming in number 4. Avid Power Compact Router. Ergonomically designed for convenience, the Avid Power 6.5 amp 1.25 horsepower fixed base wood router is the right choice for you. It has a rubber-covered handle for a comfortable grip and a quick clamp system that allows motor adjustment from base to base. Parts and accessories can be interchanged with other compact routers. Includes accessories like a vacuum attachment, workpiece edge guides, and a pack of router bits. Features a 3/8 collet and LED lights to illuminate your working area. Properly machined motor with good fit and tight tolerance. Pros: affordable price. Interchangeable parts. Cons: loud and slightly more vibration at higher speeds. Fit and finish of the base may be pretty rough. Coming in number 3. Dewalt Compact Router. If you are tired of the heavier and bulkier router models, then the Dewalt 20V Max XR cordless router fits the bill. This router allows you to easily match its speed to the application using a variable speed dial. It also offers constant speed during cuts because of the soft start motor with full-time electronic feedback. It is a woodworker's dream router tool. 2 LED lights that illuminate any work surface. Height adjustments are hassle-free because of the fast depth adjustment ring. Built-in electronic brake to slow the motor down faster when turned off. Variable speeds from 16,000 to 25,500 RPM. Pros: easy to use variable speed control. Excellent balance and power for its weight. Lightweight and appropriate for free-handing in tight spaces. Cons: the speed adjustment dial is easy to hit and may change speeds. Coming in number 2. Dremel Compact Router. The Dremel 33501 Plunge Compact Router is ready to be turned into a compact plunge router so you can cut precise decorative edges, straight slots, or root freehand. This router lets you begin a cut from the middle of your workpiece. The plunge router adapter is compatible with Dremel rotary tools that accommodate 1/8 inch diameter bits. You won't have to spend extra bucks on a single-purpose machine if you already own one of these. Converts rotary tool to plunge router. Plunge features a lock-in handle and 2 depth stops for quick adjustment. Made of both plastic and metal materials. Includes plunge router attachment, an edge guide, round cutting guide, and a mounting wrench. Pros: lightweight and compact design. A detailed user manual is included. 1-year warranty on the product. Cons: is suitable for light-duty routing applications. Coming in number 1. Makita Compact Router. Match the speed to any application using the Makita RT0701CX71 and 1/4 horsepower compact router kit. This robust and durable compact router is a must-have for everyone. Few routers are as solid and precise as this one. This is the bargain that you shouldn't sleep on at all. This Makita router is the best overall on this list because of its versatile speed choices, top precision, and powerful motor akin to a larger router. Offers variable speed from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM at a dial. Better precision with the slick rack and pinion depth adjustment system. Quick release can lock system for effortless depth adjustments. Maintains constant speed under load. Powerful motor for a better performance. Pros: suitable for compact routers models RT0700C and RT0701C. Slender and ergonomically designed body for improved convenience and control. Easy base removal and installation. Cons. You need to purchase a straight guide at an extra cost to use a straight guide with the plunge base.